Hello students, today we are going to discuss the sixth numerical of sedimentation. Question will be given as length equals to 20 meter, width equals to 10 meter, height equals to 3 meter. Discharge is given as 40 mld and dynamic viscosity is written as 1.002 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton second per meter square. Rho is given as 998.2 kg per meter cube and the specific gravity is written as 2.65. Now we need to determine the surface overflow rate in meter cube per day per meter square, or it will be equivalent to meter per day. Next, we need to find the minimum diameter of particle which can be removed with 100% efficiency. So we will solve one by one each and every step. Okay. For the solution, we need to write the given quantities here. Now, what is given in the question? Length is given as 20 meter, width is given as 10 meter, and height is given as 3 meter. Now we need to calculate the discharge here, or discharge is given as 40 mld. For the conversion of 40 mld to meter cube per second, we just need to multiply here 40 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 24 into 3600, and we will get the discharge in terms of meter cube per second, and it will be equivalent to 0.046 meter cube per second. Clear to all? Okay. And if we want this discharge into liter per day or meter cube per day, so it will be equals to 4000 meter cube per day. Clear? Now what is given in the question? Mu is given, which will be equals to 1.002 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton second per meter square. Rho is also given, so we don't need to write here rho equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. Rho will be equals to 998.2 kg per meter cube, and the specific gravity is given as 2.65. Now we need to calculate the surface overflow rate, that is V naught. Now V naught, we know the formula. V naught equals to discharge upon surface area. Now discharge is given as 4000 meter cube per day, and we know the value of surface area here, which will be equals to length into width, that is 20 into 10 meter square. Now from meter square to meter square cancel out, and we will have the value of V naught, which will be equals to 20 meter cube per day per meter square. Okay, that will be the first answer, that is surface overflow rate. Clear? Now we need to calculate the minimum diameter of particle, for which efficiency is given as 100%. Now efficiency is 100% means what? Vs upon V naught into 100. So if efficiency is 100%, then what is the conclusion? That the settling velocity will be equals to the loading rate or the overflow rate. Okay. Now Vs equals to V naught, and we had already calculated the V naught value as 20 meter cube per day per meter square. So we just write it as 20 meter per day. But we want this answer in meter per second. So we need to divide this by 24 into 3600, and we will get the answer as 2.314 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. Okay, that will be the value of settling velocity. Now we know the value or the formula of settling velocity, which will be equals to rho g d square upon 18 mu into g minus 1. Clear? Now we need to calculate from this formula, that is a diameter of particle. For the calculation of diameter of particle, we need to write the formula as d square equals to 18 mu into settling velocity, that is Vs, upon rho g into g minus 1. Okay, that will be the formula of d square. So if we put all this value, that is 18 into 2.314 into 10 to the power minus 4 into mu value, which will be equals to 1.002 into 10 to the power minus 3, divided by rho value will be given as 998.2 into 9.81 into 2.65 minus 1. Now after solving this whole equation, we will get the value of d, which will be equals to 1.607 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. but we want diameter in mm, so diameter will be equals to 0.016 mm, which will be the minimum diameter of particle that will be removed with 100% efficiency. So we had calculated the surface overflow rate as well as the minimum diameter of particle which will be removed with 100% efficiency. Okay, that is the solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.